Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the 07 code for the CA Foundation paper 3 and we are on day 3. So today we are going to solve for 7 questions of chapter linear inequalities. So we'll move on for the question. So question number 1 is the linear inequalities. Okay, question number 1 is the linear relationship between two variables in an inequality. So they are asking the linear relationship between two variables, not your you don't have and you won't and you will not get if you won't study properly. Okay, so linear relationship between two variables. So they are asking relationship between two variables. I will take the variable as x and y. Okay. In an inequality. Inequalities, guys, we know inequality either the symbol will be greater than, equal to, lesser than or lesser than equal to, right? So x and y. Okay, either it will be greater than, equal to, lesser than, equal to, whatever. So we will see. See, we know that linear relationship between two variables, every time it should be plus. So see the option number B, ax into by. No, multiply should not be there, only plus or minus. No multiply, no division. Now see the option number C, axy. No, plus by. No, only in terms of x and y, and anything can be the coefficient. Here the coefficient can be anything, but it should be in terms of x and y. So here only they are given xy and y. No, here x then xy. No, only it should be in terms of x and y, and any coefficient should be there. A and b. What does A indicate? A indicates the coefficient of x, and what does B indicate? B indicates the coefficient of y. So linear relationship between two variables, I will take the two variables as x and y. The symbol will be either plus or minus, and very important thing is it should be x plus y, in the form of x plus y. Coefficient we don't care, any coefficient can be, but it should be x plus y. It should not be like xy plus y or x plus xy. No, two variables will not be together, either x plus y or x minus y. So answer is option A, because option A is ax plus by. See, x plus y, and this symbol indicates the inequality. Next, they said an employer recruits experienced. Experienced means they have taken x. In life also, guys, x x is more experience. काटेगा भाई, काट देगा. So an employer recruits experienced x. So x and means plus fresh workman y. So workman is y. For his under the condition that he cannot employ more than 11 people. He cannot employ. Cannot employ means yes, it should not be greater than, it should be less than. Because cannot employ means you cannot able to go more than. If not more than, then sign will be lesser than. So cannot employ more than 11. So you cannot able to employ more than 11, but you can employ 11. So it should be less than or equal to 11. Okay, you cannot employ more than 11 means x plus y should be less than or equal to 11. So x plus y less than. See, this is not valid. Why? Because we want this should be there. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, x is greater than this thing should be there, then only the equation is proper. In this we don't have the x plus y. See, this is x plus y is greater than 11 means x plus y is more than 11, which is not possible. The x plus y is this, cannot be more than 11. So that is the answer. Next is the solution set of an equation x plus 2y greater than 0 and 2x minus 6 is greater than equal to 0. Okay. So we have to find a solution set. So what we will do? They had given this, right? So we will substitute and we will see in which it is satisfying the condition. Now the thing is, they said a value I can take from -2 to infinity. -2 to infinity. Infinity means -2 to positive, -2 to positive, anything I can take. Okay, sorry, I will not take the -2. I will not include the -2. The reason behind it, this is open bracket. Open bracket means we will not include this. Close bracket means we will include this value. Okay, we have studied in chatti sa childhood mein. Open bracket means we will not include that value. Close bracket means we will include that value. Ashte ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ use ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ. So x plus 2 is greater than 0. X plus 2 is greater than 0. Now if you will take this value, means this -2 means from -1 to infinity. If you will take any value, so if I will take -1, so -1 plus 2, yeah, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 is greater than 0, correct? If I will take here 3, 5, 6, anything, so 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is greater than 0. Anything you will take, it is greater than 0. So fine, here it is satisfying. But if I will take here, if I will take -1, to 2 minus 1 is -2 and then -6. So -2 minus 6, we know -8. -8 is greater than 0. No, -8 is lesser than 0. If I will take any number, let's take the positive, because see, what does this mean? This means that from -2 and we will take infinity. Okay, so it is not satisfying the condition. Okay, it is not satisfying the condition. Okay, fine. If okay, forget about that much, forget guys, forget about that much blah blah and all. I will tell you just simple. Okay, just simple substitute the value, forget about that thing what I said, forget about that, just substitute the value. First I will take x as -2, substitute the -2. So if I will to substitute -2, forget about the things what I have said, forget about that. Sorry, I thought it right, forget about that. Okay, forget about that. Okay, now just focus. This is a fresh question. They said solution set of equation x plus 2 is greater than 0 and 2x minus 6 is greater than equals to 0. So first take x as -2. If I will take -2, so -2 plus 2 is 0. 0 is greater than 0. No, 0 is equals to 0. It's not satisfying. So no chance. If I will take -2 here also, so 2 into -2, it's -4. -4 minus 6, we will get -10. The -10 is greater than 0. No. So option A will not satisfy. Okay, forget about the things what I have said starting. Okay, like minus, forget about that. Okay, just substitute the value. They had given the value, just substitute and check whether it is satisfying LHS equals RHS, the condition, or not. That's it. Now I will take 3. If I will take 3 plus 2, 5. Yeah, 5 is greater than 0, satisfying. Now if I will take 3 here, 3 to the 6, because I will take x as 3, I will take x as 3. So 2 3 the 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Yeah, 0 is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. So this is satisfying the condition. If you will take here say minus infinity, I don't know the minus infinity value. So -2 is not satisfying. Already we have checked here. Now minus infinity I don't know. I will see for -3. Because infinity also I don't know. So infinity, minus infinity, we don't care. We just care on the numbers what they had given, because infinity what you will substitute. Okay, so -2, okay, -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2 is -1. -1 is greater than 0. No, it will not satisfy. C and D, the option B is the correct answer. Just substitute, forget about that what I have said. Okay, just substitute. Now 6x plus y is greater than equals to 18. These are the given equation. On solving the inequalities we get, if you will solve the inequalities, what we will get? So guys, very simple thing I will tell you. Just take the first equation. Here what we have to do, just take the first equation. Just take the first equation. First equation is 6x plus y is greater than or equals to 18. Okay, whenever they will give this equation, okay, whenever they will give this equation and they will ask you that on solving the inequalities, which are the points it's satisfying this equation. So first thing what we will do, first thing we will take the equation. 6x plus y is greater than equals to 18. Just we have to take the first equation. Forget about this blah blah and all. Just take the first equation. The 6x plus y is greater than equals to 18. Now we know that this thing already we have studied. First thing what we will take, guys, first we will take x as 0. If I will take the x 0, what is y? Y is 18. Substitute x 0, y you will get 18. So 0, x is 0, y is 18. 0 comma 18. So just do the thing. Whenever they will give the equation, they will ask you that which of the inequalities means which of the following points will satisfy that equation. Simple thing, take first equation, only first equation, forget about others. Take first equation, you are getting 6x plus y is greater than equals to 18. Then after that, do this condition, take x equals 0. If you take x equals 0, you will get the y value, y is 18. The first point you will get 0 comma 18. Now check in the option in which we have 0 comma 18. Okay, we have 0 comma 18 in this 3 comma 0 0. No, in this we don't have 0 comma 18, so it is eliminated. In this, no, in this also we don't have 0 comma 18, it is eliminated. But here also we have 0 comma 18, either A or D. Okay, 0 comma 18, 0 comma 18, 12 comma 0, 12 comma 0, same. 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2, same. 7 comma 6, 7 comma 6, same. Now we will see this 0 comma 0 is not same. Let's substitute 0 comma 0. Let's substitute 0 comma 0 and just check it out one thing. If x is 0, y is 0. So x is 0 means 0, y is 0 means 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 18? No. It is not satisfying the condition. So this will not satisfy. So option D will not be there. Answer is option A. Simple, easy peasy. Okay. Next, you have to solve for x. See, everything you have to do for x. Solve for x. They had given this equation. Okay, 2 is lesser than this, lesser than 4. X belongs to natural number. Okay, the number is like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? The numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all, we'll see for 3. First of all, we'll substitute the 3 here in place of x. So what will become, guys? 2 lesser than equal to, this will remain same. 2 lesser than equal to, we will check. If I will substitute 3 here, 3 3 the 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 is 1.4. Okay, middle value we got 1.4 and then it is lesser than equal to 4. Now see here, 4 is greater than 1.4. That satisfies. 4 is greater than 1.4. But 1.4 is greater than 2? No. So option means 3. 3 is not satisfying. So where is 3? 3 is here. So 3 is not satisfying. So 3 is not satisfying means this whole option will not satisfy because this option takes 3 and 3 is not satisfying. So this option is eliminated. Okay. Now next we will go for the 4. If you will see for the 4 here, okay, 2 is less than equal to 4. 4 means 3 for the 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. Now see, 4 is greater than 2, right? Obviously 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is equals to 2. Means 4 is satisfying. So 4 is here, but don't take, okay, 4 is satisfying, other tick. No, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6 is common here also. We have to see. Let's see the 5. 5 means 2 is less than equal to, 5 means 5 3 the 15. 15 minus 2, 13. Okay, 13 divided by 5. 2.6 and then 4. So 4 is greater than 2.6. 2.6 is greater than 2. So 5 is also satisfying. Okay, now see, if 4, 5 is satisfying, so 6 will also satisfy. We have to just check for the 7. Let's see for the 6 also. 6 means 2 is lesser than equal to, 6 means 6 is the 18. 18 minus 2, 16. 16 divided by 5, 3.2. And then that set is 4. 4 is greater than 3.2 and 3.2 is greater than 2. So it is also satisfying 6. Let's see the 7. So 4, 5, 6 means don't take this. See the 7. This is tricky question, guys. See the 7. So 7 means 2 is lesser than equal to, 7 3 the 21. 21 minus 2, 19. 19 divided by, sorry, 5. 19 divided by 5. You will get 3.8. Now here 4. 4 is greater than 3.8. Yes. 3.8 is greater than 2. Yes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, all the 4 is satisfying. The very important thing, guys, here you can see 5, 6, 7 is satisfying, okay, but in this option we don't have 4 because 4 is also satisfying, so this option will not be there. Okay, now option number C, 4, 5, 6 is there, but 7 is not there because 7 is also satisfying, so this option is not there. The option is none of these. What is the correct option? Correct option is 4, 5, 6, 7, all the 4 will be there. So here we don't have 4, here we don't have 7, so answer is none of these. Important question, don't tick for first wala and don't think that wrong answer. Wrong question. Now sixth one, the common region in the graph of inequality is this. Oh, so very easy peasy question, guys. What they said, we have to draw the graph and then we have to tell that which is the common shaded region. This type of question they ask very rarely, but still you have to know. So guys, what they said, the common region in the graph of the inequalities, where is the graph? You have to draw the graph. What you are watching, you have to draw the graph. The common region in the graph of the inequalities, so we know that how we will take. Guys, first inequality is x plus y. X plus y I will take as equals to 4. Second inequality is x minus y equals 4. Second inequality is x minus y equals 4. And third is x is greater than equal to 2. Okay, because x is greater than equal to 2. Chalo, theek hai. Now see here, first thing, guys, we know first thing what we will take. First thing we will take x0. If I will take the x0, you will get y. Then we have to take y0, we will get x. Okay, remember that thing. First what we will take? First we will take x0. X is 0 because every coordinate we will write x comma y. So first is x0. If you substitute here, first we will take the first equation. Okay, x0. If you substitute x0, y is 4. Okay, first point is 0 comma 4 and second point is what I will do, I will take y0. First x0 you will get y, then y0 you will get x. One by one you have to make 0. So now y0 means x is 4. Okay, from the first equation, every time we have one equation we will get 2 point. Okay, then here next again we will do x0, you will get y means x0, y is what? See, minus y equals 4. I want y, so it will become minus 4. Y is minus 4. And what we will do next is y0. If y0, x is 4. Okay, from this equation also we got 2 values, means 2 point. Now next is x is greater than equals to 0. See, the thing is, now what we will do, we will plot the graph. So normal, guys, we don't want that graph and all, just the normal, okay. We know this is x-axis positive, this is x-axis negative, this is y-axis positive, this is y-axis negative. Now this is the origin point 0. Now see, guys, in x-axis, this is the x-axis, what is the highest value? 0, 4, 0, 4. In x-axis highest value is 4 and all is positive. So I will write 1, just normal, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now in y-axis, okay, positive 4 is also there and negative 4 is also there. So in y we have a positive 4, 2, 3, 4 and negative 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, that's done. Now we have to join. See, this belongs to first equation, means one equation, one line. So 0 comma 4, x is 0, y is 4. So see, x is 0, y is 4. It will get here. Okay, next is x4, y0. So x4, y0 is this x4. So we will join this line. Okay, we will join this line. Okay, now what is this? This is less than. What is the symbol here? Both have, guys, lesser than. Okay, so this is lesser than, this is also lesser than. Lesser than means it will shade inside. Okay, it will shade inside. Now next I will take, next is x is 0, y is minus 4. X is 0, y is minus 4 here. And next is x is 4, y is 0. X is 4, y is 0. Now I will join this. Join kar do, yeah, above, yeah. Okay, Now this is lesser than. Lesser than means what? Lesser than means towards the origin. Lesser than means towards the origin. This is also lesser than, so coming towards the origin. This is lesser than, it is going towards the origin. And next is x is greater than what? Greater than equal to 2. So what is x is 2? This is 2. So I will draw a straight line. This is x is 2. I will draw a straight line, because what they said? They said x is equal to 2. So x is 2 and the symbol is greater than. Greater than means what? It will move outside. Greater than means it will move outside. Now we have to find the shaded region. See, this line is coming inside. This line is going out. See, this line is coming inside. This line is coming inside. This line is going outside. The shaded region is this full. So what is the shaded region shape? Shaded region shape is triangle. Shaded region shape is triangle. So answer is I see. Now very important. Triangle we have two: equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are same. We cannot able to say guys all the sides are same or not. Okay, because see here it is 0 to 2, 0 to 2, it is matching at this, but here it is matching like more than 2. It is not same. Okay, it is not same. The answer is what? Answer is isosceles triangle. It is not same. Answer will be, because the equilateral it is not possible. Answer is isosceles. Next, last one. XYZ company has a policy for its recruitment as it should. Very important. Understand guys, this बहुत important. एकदम ध्यान देंगे. It should not recruit more than 8 men to 3 women. Understand? Men to women. So men is X. 2 means what? 2 is the ratio form, right? 2 is the ratio form. So men to women. Woman is Y. So what they said? Men to women. What is the ratio? Not more than 8 men. Men is how much? Men is 8. Woman is 3. Okay. 8 men to women. Men to women. So see, men is 8. We have written 8 men. So X men is 8. And we have written 3 women. Woman is Y. And how much women? 3 women. And what is the condition? It should not recruit more than. Not more than. Not more than means lesser than sign. Okay. Lesser than sign. Okay. Lesser than or equal to. Not more than. Understand? See. Men is 8. So see. Men is X is 8. Because we know numerator equals numerator. Woman Y is 3. Woman Y is 3. Numerator equals numerator. Denominator equals denominator. Not more than. So not more than. So how we can write? It will go cross multiplication. We know it will become cross multiplication. So it will become 3x should be less than equals to 8y. Means 8y is, okay, y is here, right? 8y is greater than equal to 3x. So see here, 8y is greater than equals to 3x. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, understand this. Men to woman, x by y. And men is 8, woman is 3. So 8 by 3. Okay. So this is the done for inequalities. If you're finding it if you're finding it easy, to solve it. If you have a difficult in any question, you can comment. Okay, or you can ask in the class. If you're not attending my class, you can comment. I will explain in the next video, day 4. Okay, if you have a doubt. And if you're if possible, if your friend wants more question, because I am keep on telling you guys in every class, one and only one way to clear the paper 3 in 1 attempt and scoring good marks around 70 plus. Only the thing is solve questions. You have a concept, you are learning concept from everywhere, solve questions. The questions you will get it here. No need of purchasing, no need of spending money in question bank, blah 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 and all. For paper 3, stick with me. I will give you a surety that you will clear and you will score a good marks. Just stick to me for solving the questions. What you can say, the concept you are learning from everywhere. Okay, so I will try to upload concept, but I will not give the surety. So for questions, seven questions, it will be continuing. Okay guys, thank you, take care, bye bye, and we'll meet in the next video.